This is a motorcycle. I am a motorcycle rider or biker. That is a street full of cars, full of people who don't see us. So next time you go out, people in cages, as we call them, look extra close. Pay extra attention. Take that extra look. Because you never know. The next vehicle coming down might be a motorcycle. And the next life you save just might be mine or my brothers and sisters. So take it easy. Get off that phone. Stay off that phone. Minimize your distractions and look for us extra. Because we're people too. We got families. We got grandchildren. Motorcycle Awareness Month. Thank you.